other databases. There are more databases other than primary and secondary databases. These databases are called composite databases. Composite databases aim to amalgamate the information held in two or more of the primary databases. This means that you can search one composite database rather than do multiple searches on individual primary databases. Let us now see the various examples for composite databases. First one, OWL. OWL is a composite protein sequence database which is a combination of SwissProt, PIR, GenBank and NRL3D. The most priority one is SwissProt, and all other databases get compared with SwissProt to remove the identical entries, and the entry different from SwissProt are the only information taking from the other three datasets. Second is NRDB. NRDB is a non-redundant database with a collection of SwissProt and TREMBL. The database contains similar information as OWL, but contains more up-to-date information. However, strictly speaking, it is not non-redundant but non-identical. That is, only identical sequence copies are removed from the database. As a result, NRDB is larger and less efficient to search than OWL. To be rigorous, it is sensible to search NRDB, but for the purposes of short information, it is more practical to search OWL. There are many other databases available these days, and it is difficult to divide them to the correct category. Microarray datasets are widely available in Gene Expression Omnibus or GEO, and ArrayExpress are very useful to show any available data on the expression of a gene. If the gene codes for a protein, then UniRef can be used to identify the UniProt proteins. A search of InterPro will help classify the protein into a specific family and show any available domains. The use of a 2D page database such as Swiss 2D page provides us the direct information on the expression of the protein. If it does not code for a protein, then a search of the wide variety of non-coding RNA databases may yield more information. Fortunately, many of these databases contain cross-references to ease progression from one source of information to the next. Additionally, these days there are many useful integration tools and databases to help the users. Integrated databases are more easy to use as they provide a quick one-stop access to a variety of different type of information, a base for more detailed searches, a place for small or specialty databases to gain exposure to a wide variety of users, and an opportunity for complementary databases to learn more about and collaborate with each other. Integrate is an example for integrated database. Improvements to data access require strong collaborations, cross-referencing and integration if the amount of available data is not to overwhelm the use. There exists a database called Database of Biological Database (DBD) that contains all the available database links and details in it. So, it is easy to use this database to find the suitable database for our search and is available online at www.biodbs.info.